Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple braided wig, and the first thing you'll be needing for that is your wig cap. I personally prefer this adjustable wig cap, but you can use any type of cap that is available to you. I'm just going to put the wig cap on the mannequin head before I'm going to start the braided wig. I'm using expression braid extension for this braided wig, and I have it in color 1 and berry. So these are the two colors I'll be mixing to make this braided wig, guys. I just felt like trying something different, let's switch things a little bit. It must not be only black or one particular color. I already cut the braid extension into 2, and I've also stretched it out. I just felt like there's no need showing you guys the process of me stretching out the braid extension because I've done that a lot on this channel, so there is really no need showing you guys that part. And I feel majority of us know how to stretch our braid extension, so I'm just going to take a little section of the braid extension and then start making the first step of this wig. This is a crochet hook I'm using. I'm going to pass the crochet hook through the wig cap. Just pass the crochet hook through the wig cap, take the braid extension, put it on it, close it up, and then pull through. You want to make sure that the quantity you're taking or the quantity you're passing through the net is not too much, because when it's too much, that is when your net will just tear or your wig cap will just tear. So just make sure that the quantity you're taking is sizable and is what can pass through the wig cap conveniently. So I'm just going to start making my boss braid at the back of this wig, which is the first step in this wig. This wig is in 3 stages. This is the first step, which is making boss braid at the back of this wig. So this is a quantity of hair I braid at the back. I'm just going to start sewing in the lace net to the wig cap, and I'm using my needle and thread to just sew in the lace net to the wig cap. Now this is the lace net I use, because a lot of you have asked me this question: what kind of lace net do you use? This is a Swiss lace net, and it comes in different color, so just go for the one that match your skin. And this Swiss lace net, the last time I bought it, I think it was for 4,000 or 4,500 thereabouts. I can't really remember the price. I think 4,045 for a yard of the Swiss lace net. But I don't know what it is now, because things are a bit expensive now. Things are cost now. These days, dollar is high, so things are expensive. So I don't know how much they're selling it now. Thankfully, I still have some that I'm using, and a yard, that is the price for a yard. You can go for half yard, which is sold for like 2,000, 2,500 or 3,000 naira, depend on who you are buying from. Now prices differ from different sellers, and you can get this Swiss lace net on Instagram, on Jumia and Amazon. So those are the places I know you can get this Swiss lace net with ease, or you can just walk into any beauty supply store and ask them if they have. Fine, but if they don't, just order online and make your wig with them. Now you can use a tailoring net to practice. Get a tailoring net and practice with it, because it's going to save you cost, because this net is expensive. After sewing the lace net to the wig cap, I'm just going to cut the wig cap under the lace net. I'm using my T-pin to secure the wig cap to the mannequin head, and I'm just going to start making the braids for the braided wig. Here's the quantity of braids that I have. I did not count it, so I don't know how many that is here. I'm just going to start with the sewing method. I'm going to sew in the braids to the wig cap, and for the color one, I'm using a black thread, and the berry color, I'm going to use a pink thread to sew it in. So I'm just going to start sewing now. And I want to say that if you are a beginner, this sewing method is the best type of method to start with. You just have to be patient with the process. Just take your time. The more you practice, the better you get with it. And also, if you're still learning how to make this with the needle and thread, you should do this with simple style. You should practice with simple styles. Do not go for complicated styles because your results might just be horrible. So go for simple styles that you can practice with, and as time goes on, you now advance to trying out other styles. Like this very style I'm making here is very simple to do. All you just have to concentrate on is the front part of this wig, because that is the major here. It's a major part.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound.
To make your line straight, you can either use a concealer to make a straight line on your wig cap, or you can use a thread and 2 small pins to just make a straight line. That is what I did in this video. I used a thread and 2 small pins to just tie on a straight line. So this one will just give me precision on where my line will be, and it will not be bend. So just try as much as possible to either do this method I did or use a concealer to mark your line. It will help you a lot to achieve a straight line. So I'm just going to pin the braids to the wig cap so I have an idea of what I want to do. And after pinning it, I'm just going to sew it. I used 2.5 pack of extension for this braided wig. I bought 3 pack, but I ended up using 2.5 because of the size and the length. If it's a short wig, you use less extension, and if the braids are small, you use less extension as well. But this one, the braids are big and it is long, so I use 2.5 pack of extension. As when it comes to my sewing of my braided wig, I take my time. I don't rush it. I feel you should just take your time and make a beautiful wig instead of rushing. You know, take your time, make a beautiful wig that you can wear, and people will ask you who make that wig for you, or where did you buy the wig. So take your time and make your braided wig. So for those still practicing, it can take you 2 days to make one wig. It's not a crime, you guys. It is not a crime, provided you get what you want. And your first attempt might not be that beautiful. Bear that in mind. Your first attempt might not come out really nice, but as you keep practicing, you just get better with it, and you will love the process. And please, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, babe, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button. Support your girl. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as it is very helpful to the video and to my channel. Also, leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think about the color combination? What do you think about the wig? You know, just leave your comment in the comment section.
We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
So guys, here's a final look of this wig. I did not sew in any comb or extra band to wear this wig. I just used the adjustable band that came with the wig to wear the wig. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow